feel a chemistry.
Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Queen Styles. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a start to finish doing Island Girl Locks. Well, I like to call Island Girl Locks because they give Island Girl vibes. The first thing I'm going to be doing is washing my hair with tea tree shampoo and also tea tree conditioner. I'm also going to be using the ORS leave-in conditioner. Now I usually wash my hair in the shower, but for the purposes of this video I decided to wash it in the sink so you guys can see the washing process. I only showed the shampoo part because I forgot to turn on the camera when I was doing the conditioner, but you guys get the point. Alright y'all, I'm about to blow dry my hair. I'm so upset right now, but we are going to just do my hair. The only reason why I'm kind of upset is because the water here in Florida, I'm from New York, but the water here in Florida is messing up my hair. Like, it's making my hair matte, and my hair never, and if my hair feels so dry, my hair never feels like this. My hair never felt like this when I was in New York. Like, my hair feels so like bad because I feel like the water is different in Florida, and it's like it's affecting my hair. Like, it's affecting my hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Look, my hair is matted. Like, that never happens when I wash my hair. So I know it's the water. Look, and then I got to separate it. Look. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Like, my hair have so many mats, especially in the back. I can't even see what the back looks like, but and I lost so much hair. Like, y'all, I lost a lot of hair when I was washing my hair. When I was combing it out and stuff, I lost a lot of hair. But we're not going to complain about it. We're just going to blow dry my hair. I'm going to use Fantasia's Heat Protectant Serum. And I believe I'm going to use my I already used my leave-in conditioner. But I don't know, because my hair feels so, I don't know what to do, y'all. I don't know what to do. My hair feels so dry. Not even dry, it just feels like brittle. Like, and I'm telling y'all, my hair never ever felt like this. Like, ugh. No. And I use different products this time. I'm just like, ugh, what am I gonna do? Might have to go to a hairstylist and get a wash and blow every time I do my hair, because maybe their water is better than mine. But yeah, we're just gonna blow out my hair, and then I'm going to do my braid down, and then we're gonna start installing the locks, so stay tuned. Yeah, so moving on, we're going to be using the 360 mirror. This mirror you can get on Amazon. It doesn't cost that much, probably like $20 maybe, but I will have the link down below if you guys want to grab one if you don't have one already. So I'm going to be blow drying out my hair, making sure that my hair is nice and detangled. Yes, I was making that face because my hair was feeling brittle. Like I explained earlier, how the water was just making my hair feel weird. I don't know what it is. Maybe it is the water, maybe it's the products that I'm using, but it's definitely something, because once I moved to Florida, it was definitely, my hair was definitely like soft and, you know, manageable, but now it's like feeling really brittle, and I did not like that. I had so much shedding, as you guys can see. I had like balls and balls of shed hair literally coming out of my scalp, and I did not appreciate that. So the first thing I'm going to do is part out my hair. I'm going to be doing moon shaped parts. I don't really use product when I'm doing the braid down part because I feel like it's wasting product when you do. So I'm going to be using product afterwards, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So what I do is just part out my hair, braid it, and then twist it. I don't even braid it all the way down because if you braid it all the way down, it's going to be harder to take out. So I just braid the top and then I just twist it all the way down. Alright you guys, so once you finish your braids, it should look like this. Just nice and juicy. Now let me stop. But yeah, so once you finish your hair, you're just gonna put your hair up in a scrunchie and leave like the last row in your nape area out so that you can start installing your locks. I use the Style Fixer braiding gel, the Extreme Hold one. I don't know how I feel about that product. I use it, but sometimes it turns white. But I mean, it is what it is. I feel like all the products turn white, but the hair that I'm going to be using is going to be in the description box down below. So the first thing I do is start off in the nape. So I will explain what I'm doing, the process, as we get further into the video. Okay, so this is how the first 2 rows came out. Nice and full and cute. I love this curl pattern, y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how I did these locks. The first thing you want to do is add product to your root, and you're going to take your wrapping hair and crochet it into the loop of the lock because it comes pre-made already. All you're really doing is adding the curls to the lock that's already made. So this is how I do it. Once you get your wrapping hair in, then you're going to crochet the wrapping hair onto your braid. What you're going to do is grab the shortest piece with your right hand, and with your left hand you're going to grab all of your hair plus the lock and just start wrapping at the base. To add the curly pieces to your lock, what you're going to do is just grab it with your left hand and just leave the curl out. You want to wrap over it a few times and then bring the curl back down into the lock. Then wrap again over a few times and then leave the curl out. Now if you only wrap over it one time, the curl is going to slip right out. So I like to wrap over it like 2 to 3 times before I leave the curl out. Now I do the ends the same exact way. The only difference is that you're not leaving the curl out, you're just basically wrap the curl inside of the lock. So what I did was cut the end of the lock. If you want to use the curl that it came with, you can, but I like to use the human curls for the end. So I'll cut the lock at the end before adding the human hair. So the technique that I use to end the lock with the human curl, so you're going to add the curl to the lock by just grabbing it with the lock and then using the wrapping hair to wrap up, and then you're going to bring the curl down, and then you're going to wrap, and then you're going to just wrap back down, and then I like to tie a knot at the end and then just wrap the remaining hair that's left over. It's very simple to do. I know a lot of stylists and a lot of other people like to use nail glue, but you don't really need to use nail glue. I feel like it's an extra step that you don't need to do. All you gotta do is tie a knot and then wrap over it, and that's how I did my locks. Alright you guys, so this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love the way my hair came out. Like, you guys, this hair is so soft. Like, the curls are so soft and it's so nice and full. I only used 2 packs of the Island Girl. I think it's free trust. It's right here. The hair that I used is right here. But like, this hair is so gorgeous. Like I just love my hair, y'all. I love the way it came out. I didn't think it was gonna come out this full at all, but I love me some big curly hair, so I'm glad it came out full. Like, I don't like when my locks are like thin looking, so I used 2 packs. You could use 1 pack. You could try to get away with 1 pack, but me, I like my locks nice and full. So with that being said, I use 2 packs. So yeah, anyways guys, if I find this hair online, I will definitely link it down below so you guys can grab it yourself. But if not, then you can try your local beauty supply store and see if they have the hair. But yeah, I love this hair because I don't think all beauty supply stores carry that particular curl pattern for some reason. Because in New York, when I used to live in New York, they never had Island Girl curl pattern, so I'm not going back. I used to use either deep wave or water wave. It wasn't the same. I feel like it wasn't the same. Like, this hair is gorgeous. Like, this hair is gorgeous. Like, OMG. Like, I'm just so in love with this hair. I'm gonna do another video of me styling this hair. I'll be doing like different styles, because you can do different styles with this hair. And I know like there are a lot of women out there that, you know, work in corporate and want to look professional. So you can look professional with locks. I'm telling you, you can look professional with goddess locks. So like I'll do another video showing you guys like different hairstyles you can do with this hairstyle. If you guys want to see that, comment down below. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys love this video, make sure you guys give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you comment down below if you love this hair, because I love this hair. Comment down below a heart if you love this hair, okay, as much as I do, because it's really soft. Like, I'm telling y'all, it's really soft. Like, it's super soft. Like, there's super soft, and it's not knotting up or anything. It's human hair. I was definitely going to pull with it and everything just to see how it is with water, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be okay in the water. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all. You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.